The third annual NAE-UNICEF Summit continued with the tour of the UN headquarters. The students had the chance to witness the meetings of 2 Economic and Social Council committees and the halls where the General Assembly and the Security Council meetings take place. This experience taught us a lot about the role of the UN in keeping peace and prosperity on Earth. Next, we headed out to the NAE International School in New York, where we got the opportunity to participate in workshops led by Alison Bellwood, director of the world's largest lesson. The workshops allowed us to exchange ideas about how students of NAE schools all over the world can connect World Children's Day and the UN Convention of the Rights of a Child with the NAE Global Challenge. This concludes our 5th day in New York. Stay tuned to hear what our students had to say at the High-Level Political Forum tomorrow.